This upgrade, it's amazing. Here we go, guys. Look at this pizza. It's you have to see at the end of this video how the pizza looks like. Guys, welcome back to my unboxing and review. Today we are going to review this Bollore pizza oven from Pizza Party. We are going to give it a hard, in-depth review and unboxing of this pizza oven. I'm going to do one pizza and see the real time how we'll cook. I'm going to do two pizzas and see the real time how this oven will do. Now, let's see how this pizza oven come out. You're going to be super surprised. Here we go. So now it's time to open this box that we just arrived, and then we can see what's inside the box. Oh, whoa, 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 be careful, Papa. I'm gonna keep it outside because this is way too heavy for me to bring it inside. Oh, oh. Of course, this oven is shipped from Italy. Oh, okay, okay. Everything is, I see the biscotto here, which is a special material from Naples. This one helps to cook the pizza in a much better way. And then, here we go. Yeah. It's just the pizza oven. Domenico, put the camera there, help me. So let's see how heavy it is. Ah, it's pretty light. Poggialo un attimo qua. It's pretty light. How's a pizza oven?
No, 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 no.
Hey. Hey, hey. Where are you going? Where are you going? You want to drive the motorcycle? Let's see the pizza oven right here, look. So I'm gonna put everything inside here and see what's inside, because I see that some stuff is inside. Well, let's set it up, everything, and let's see what's inside the box. Here we go. Voila, we finished to unwrap this up. Like you can see, they have put the plastic to not scrape the pizza oven everywhere. So make sure you take it out, all of that, because if this thing gets warm, you're gonna smell some plastic is burning, and that's what it is. Well, I see that the door is really small, which is a good sign already. Voila, first piece. This is the cover. It's nice, well made. Let's see how it fits now. I think that's how it goes, like that. But make sure when you use this, make sure the oven is cold. It looks nice. Ah, that's a good thing here. They have included the gas here. Well, we are in Italy, so they put the Italian one, made in Italy. A beautiful pizza peel. Wow, well made. That's cute. I think this is the cup to not go the water inside when it rains. This is the gas, the burner, because this oven, it's gas and wood options. The hood, you also have plastic here. Make sure you take this off, otherwise your oven is gonna smell like plastic wrap. Perfect, this one goes right here. This is for the front that we actually going to add later on. That's the little cup for the burner. Okay, perfect. Oh, we find it. The instruction. Linea Passione Toscana Bollore.
And now it's time for you to go ahead, smash that like, subscribe, and comment below.
Ooh. And finally we put it in. This thing here, they put it in this way. If you don't want to use gas, you can use it with this on, you can use just wood. So that's a good thing of this oven. You can use both. Let's put this final part right there. Boom, 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 voila. Now let's go ahead and let's put these things here inside. So I guess this one goes right there. Now we're just gonna block this. Here we go, the gas option is done. So now we're gonna get this for the gas, plugged in this in. Okay, the gas, it's on, and now let's go ahead and let's turn it on. Easily, voila, boom. Let's wait a few seconds, and then it should not go off. There we go, it went on. So now we're gonna go ahead. I see there is no door because you don't need it. It's pretty small, the door, so it's it's pretty big inside. Because it's big, it will keep a lot the pressure. So now I'm gonna put it at the max temperature. I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take the bottom to go in temperature. So we have to monitor the time, and then I'll let you know how long it will take. So right now, I'm gonna set the time for about 30 minutes, and let's see the temperature of the bottom and see if we can start to make the pizza. So I have everything ready in the kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and show you live with no editing how long this pizza oven will cook one pizza. And at the end of this video, we're going to see how this beast here will cook two pizzas in the same time and how long will cook the two pizzas. So, okay, here we go, guys. So quick update, 1 second. I completely lost the thermometer of the oven to see the temperature inside. It's been about 35 minutes. The oven was at the max temperature for 35 minutes. So now we are going to test, because now all of you have the thermometer, the gun thermometer. So we are going to test the oven with the dough. So we're gonna go ahead and stretch. Here we go. Let's put it on top of the peel and let's go ahead and let's test the oven and then see the bottom, how it looks like. Let's lower down the temperature. And then this way we are able to see. I'm gonna go ahead and place the pizza right in the middle of the oven. Voila. So we're looking now that the oven is not ready on the bottom. Probably it's gonna take about another 15-20 minutes at the max temperature, because you see the oven is not ready. Let's not waste the time. I'm gonna go get ready with the ingredients, and then finally we're going to test one pizza and then two pizzas and see the real time how it will cook. Okay, here we go, guys. The time of the truth. Let's see if this oven is approved by Maestro Iacopelli. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the first one, just to see how this oven will react to my pizza. It's been about, I wanna say the oven right now is warming up at the max temperature. It's been about 45 minutes. And then with the pressure, we are going to see also if the oven have the pressure, the properly pressure to cook a Neapolitan pizza. A little bit of flour on the peel. With a nice 12 inches pizza. This way you guys can see how big is the oven. I'm gonna make a classic cheese pizza. If you wanna put basil, you can put basil. I'm gonna put the basil at the end. If you wanna see more, go on my channel and check out all the videos how to make the pizza, how to put the pizza on the peel. I have everything how to. #1 pizza channel on YouTube. 12 inches pizza. Let's go inside the oven and see the real time. So don't stop this camera, because everything needs to be live. Okay, let's go ahead and let's go in the oven right in the center. Boom, voila. The pizza is in the oven, and now we are not stopping. I have 3 cameras here because I want to get the moment. How long this pizza oven will cook the pizza. Don't stop the camera. Here we go. So let's check out the bottom for the first time. It's a little raw. I'm gonna move it close to the flame. Keep lower down the temperature still in the oven. Whoa, whoa. Surprising at the end. It's surprising at the end. We are looking right there. Please judge the cooking of the pizza here. Okay, I think it's ready. 3, 2, 1, boom. The pizza, let me put it right here. Come here closer. It's soft and it's crunchy. So let's go inside and let's see better with the light. The light, that's even better. So now, hold on. I'm gonna put the oven at the max temperature. Let's go inside. Come with me. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's see the bottom. Let's see how the oven cooked the first ever pizza. We didn't try before. The oven is brand new, and this is how the pizza looks like. The top part, I believe, it was cooked properly. Now, let's see the bottom of the pizza. I think it come out lovely. Lightly basil, voila, pom pom pom. And this is the Neapolitan pizza, the first Neapolitan pizza cooking in this new oven from Pizza Party. So now let's go ahead and let's test two pizzas at the same time and let's see how long it will cook and how it will cook. Let's go ahead. Okay guys, it's time to make 2 pizzas in one time, in one shot. Flour. Okay. I can see it's a bunch of space in this oven, so I think it's not gonna be an issue to cook 2 pizzas in one time. So let's go ahead. Flour. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and place this pizza all the way inside. Okay. Right away, I'm gonna go wait right there and get the other pizza. Second one going in the oven. Boom. A little bit attached. Don't pay attention on the, because for me it's a little bit hard. Lower down. It's a little bit hard for me to get the video and all the pizzas together. The first one, it's ready. Now the second one, let's finish up to cook. Three, two, one, and then boom. Second pizza is also ready. Let's go ahead inside and let's see how this oven will cook it to pizza. See? It's soft and crunchy for sure. Okay, here we go. Let's put the basil right there. Let's see. This is the first pizza and this is the second pizza. The top part, they look lovely. They are crunchy and soft in the same time. So perfect. They are not raw at all. And they are cooked lovely. This is the bottom. This pizza was cooked good, not burnt at all, not raw, even this one. Now we can finish up with the basil, olive oil, voila. And guys, this was the two pizzas cooking in the Bollore from Pizza Party oven. Amazing look. So let's go ahead and let's taste this pizza. Well, of course, it's super light, super soft and crunchy at the same time. But we are here to see how this oven cooked my pizza. So, I want to give a vote, but before that, I want to tell you, let's see the outside part. The outside part gets hot. You don't get really burned, but definitely it's really hot. This is the amount of time that I can put my hand from this side because it's right on the flame. This side is also a little bit hot. Of course, this part here gets hot. Well, this oven gets hot, but it's very hard to get burned because the way how it's made, so it's easy because you have the handle here, so everything is in the front, so you don't need to go in the back like other ovens. So the risk of getting burned is really, really low. Maybe nothing, because I have used this oven, not this one, like I used another one with the door was much bigger. And I have to say this one, this upgrade of the door smaller and the biscotto there, it's amazing. Well, you saw the video how it is. Really good. The pizza, you saw the pizza, how long it was cooked. So with this type of oven, it's easy to make pizzas one after the other. And then for the price, go ahead and check out the link in the description. Everything is in the description. So go ahead, check it out, smash the like, comment below. I want to see your vote down there below, and then tell me if you want to see more. This way I'm able to do some more review. I'll see you next week, guys. The pizza is insane.